In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Robinhood account. Before we dive in, remember that your brokerage account holds sensitive financial information, so a few careful habits can make a big difference. We'll walk through strengthening your password, confirming two-factor authentication, keeping an eye on linked devices, knowing what to do if something feels off, and for those who want the most extreme option, permanently closing the account. Start by making sure your account uses a strong, unique password. Choose one that's hard to guess and not reused anywhere else. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you can remember without writing it down. A reputable password manager can help you create and store a complex password securely, so you're not tempted to use the same one across multiple sites. Next, verify that two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is turned on. Robinhood enables 2FA by default, but it's worth confirming. You can use either text messages or an authenticator app, and many people prefer an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. If your phone number has changed, or if you want to switch to an authentication app, go to Settings, then Personal Information, and update those details there. Before you make any changes, double check that you have access to the device or app where you'll receive codes so you don't lock yourself out. Make a habit of monitoring linked devices in your account. This is where you can review which phones, tablets, or browsers have access. If you see a device you don't recognize, or a login from a place that doesn't make sense, treat that as a red flag and move on to the next action right away. If you suspect your account is compromised, or you simply want to lock things down temporarily, contact Robinhood support immediately. Ask them to freeze or restrict the account to prevent trades or withdrawals while they review the situation. Acting quickly limits potential damage. Be ready to describe what you noticed and follow any steps they provide to verify your identity and restore your account to a safe state. Finally, for those who want the most extreme level of security, you can permanently close your account. You'll find this under Settings, then Account, then Close Account. This is irreversible, so make sure it's truly what you want before proceeding. That's it. Strong password, confirmed 2FA, regular device checks, swift contact with support if anything seems wrong, and if necessary, closing the account. Take a few minutes today to lock things down and protect your investments.